Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning to Excel in Excel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a very special feature which has been launched as recent as December 24 in the Microsoft Office 365 version of desktop, and it is soon expected to be launched for the web version as well. Now without any ado, let me talk about the feature, which is the focus cell on a row and column. Yes, you heard that right. Now let me demonstrate what I actually mean by it. Let us say this is the base data wherein I have a table containing multiple data points and I am discussing with my team or with my client, and I am highlighting this cell which is 2133. Now in order for my client or for my team to relate to this, I can either highlight it with a color, or I can, the traditional way of highlighting the row, which is shift plus spacebar, or if I want to highlight the column, I can use control plus spacebar, but need no more. Right now, the functionality which has been given will make the job so easy that anybody can use it, and it makes things look so much better and readable. For that, what we need to do is we need to simply go to the view tab. There is this optionality of focus cell. Just activate this. Now you see what is happening. Wherever you click, the respective column and row will be highlighted, and it becomes super easy for the user to look at and relate to the row and column being looked at. It also comes in different colors. In case you want to use a different color, whichever suits your eye and your mood, you can select those colors and you can present it confidently in front of your audience. Thank you so much. Do consider subscribing if you like the video, and see you in the next video.